What's up, guys? What an absolute sick day in Breckenridge. Just got done shredding with Johnathan again, helped him film some new content for his channel where he's going to show you how to become a better snowboarder with some simple tips and tricks with none other than Ryan Napton himself. That man is a machine when it comes to all mountain riding, and park can carve like no other. Guys, make sure you hit the link in the description, show him some love, show him some support, and ultimately get some good information from that video too. Later, guys. The boys are getting some free Red Bulls. Breck's giving out Red Bulls. What a great day.